Hi, welcome to this tutorial by WA Courses. In this tutorial, I will show you how to start an online business on Fiverr. Let's get started. Okay, so this is the fiverr.com website. And this website is really good for those that want to start a business online and don't really want to go through the issues of setting up a website for yourself. So when you come to this website, you have different services that you can offer. So you've got graphic design, digital marketing, writing and translation, video animation, music and audio, programming, data, business, lifestyle, and many more. Okay, so when you come to this site, you could sign up to this site and it's absolutely free and provide any of these services to people. Okay, so if you are specialized in providing any of these services, if you've got skills in, let's say, setting up a website or creating logos, or you've got skills in digital marketing, this is the place to come to offer your service. Okay, so once you sign up to the site as a seller, you then be able to set up your gigs. And the gigs will generally look something like this. Let me just show you an example of how it will generally look like. Okay, so you then need to sort of, once you set up your gig, you have your image for your front page of your gig, and you have the gig description, and you have the costing for the gig. Let me just click on this sample one here and show you a bit more detail about the various packages in the gigs. Okay, so you've got basic, you've got standard, you've got premium, and of course they're different prices, as you can see, and of course the details of what's provided for each package is listed. So a buyer can potentially just select whichever package they want to go for and go for it. Okay, and then you've got the information about the gig, what you're going to be providing, and of course a little bit about yourself, and of course some images, potentially some sample work that you've done, and also some images of what you potentially can provide. Yeah, so this is really good website. I'd really recommend it. If you're thinking of starting a business online, this is a wonderful place to go to. And literally every skill you most probably can find, you would find someone who does it here on Fiverr. Okay, so hopefully this video has been useful. And if you need any support with getting started, or need any support and advice as to how to go about things, just don't hesitate to give us a shout. Our email address is always on our videos on our YouTube channel. So just give us a shout, and we'll be able to support you. All right, thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe.